It's raining. It's raining, raining, raining. Raining, raining, raining. It's raining, raining, raining. All for mango the punch, you know. All for mango the punch, you know. All for mango. Check out here, Abdullah and Melissa, you know. Until I drop down from the house, bro. I feel to protect the phone from the water. No, your last source. Come on. This is the bone down now. Oh, but this is the bone down. Lucky, I was never bone down too. Never there, you know? Never there. The fire going, never there. Over the next yard over there. And here's a fire over here. They will come up here and it's a burn out. That's a safe, trust me. That is life, you know? You know, like I say, rain. Yeah, people, welcome to the life, you don't know. Rain in the afternoon, yeah, so I'm going to showcase it. I'm copying this, yeah. Is it raining where you are? Welcome to the live, madam. Let the door full of look. Come on, raining with people. Kingston, Jamaica, I don't know if country are rain or what. This is Kingston, Jamaica, raining. You see the sky? I rain up a fall from yesterday, I could like every evening and kind of appear when I get every time after 3, 4. Come on, welcome. The blessing in disguise, you know? You know, Jamaica is a blessed island. You can just press the thumb up. Just press the thumb up on the live, people. Just press the thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, from South Carolina, welcome to the live. Oh my gosh. Just a look like this. Because we just have been a look here. You know. Come on. And thank you for joining the live. Yeah. Respect. Thank you for your support, for your comments. Come on, build up yourself. Alright? You can just give the video a thumbs up for me, please. And if you haven't been a subscriber, you can just be a subscriber. Here, Patricia. Okay, I know that name, Patricia. Yeah. Thank you. I want to see this name in my life already. Welcome again, okay? I hope the rain does fall and just ease back, you know? Because I see what going on all over the place now. See the sun come out there. Yeah, see the sun there. See that the sun that come up, people. Welcome to the live again. Next person alive. Thank you for joining. Well, this is Kingston, Jamaica. And this is the condition at this present moment. Rain. Come on. I will see it. House there. You know, so that's a burn down. Yeah, burn down. And one lady lost her life tonight, one big woman. Yeah. Come on, thank you for joining the live. I am in Kingston, Jamaica. As you can see it at this present moment. It's raining. Yeah. Where are you watching from? Is it raining where you're watching? Where you are now? Like this Anderson said, it was raining over by where she is. Okay. And like let's keep the comments coming, my people. Let us just interact with each other and share our views towards what's going on now. Even what going on in Iran, so what going on in Iran, my people. Oh, what a color. Blah 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 blah. I tell you. Let's press a thumbs up on it. Let's press a thumbs up on the like for me, please. Let's press the thumbs ups. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Welcome. How you doing? How are you doing? You see the condition? It's raining. It's raining in the east. Raining. It's raining in the west. Raining. In the north and south. Raining. You say all about raining. And I go shut my mouth. Raining. Me I go have fun about raining. Come make you jump and shout. Raining. All about raining. Come make we have fun now. Raining. We are gonna jump right around. Raining. Because we are the sound. Raining. And it's a sound you surround. Raining. Come make we have some fun. Raining. And make we dance and bump. Raining. We are go in the sun. Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ. It's nice. It might just a rain, people. Just some rain. The big mango tree there. You know, so next month I pay mango, people. The one for read me next month I pay mango. But if I make sure it's in the water now drop on the phone, because look more now the phone the mash up. You see it? Yeah, so my fear. When I want to push out and show, I can't push out and show because the rain. And it is spoiled. I don't know, waterproof. Understand my people? Yeah. I really want one and I have none. Oh my God. I tell you, it's bad. Rain and look, the sun have come out with people. The sun have push out and it's raining. It's raining at this present moment. It's raining. I'm telling you that it's raining. Remember to thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video, my people. In other words, you said like it up. Yeah. And you don't know where you're watching from. Patricia, big up yourself every time if you're still on the live. Yeah, man. Big up your nice clean self, Patricia. You're happy, that is it. Cool, just keep yourself warm and cool. Is it? You wanna go out in the rain and catch no cold or nothing like that. Yeah, man, that is cool. Like up your live for my people, like up your live. Just press the thumbs up, press the thumbs up. As I say, it's raining in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah? Raining. But you don't know, see, sun have come out there. I wonder if I evil Kingston, so evil, make every time it rain, sun have come out. Yeah? You have a good shower of rain. If you have a good time and washing some of the destruction and crosses. Tell them, man. What if a destruction and crosses? Wash it. So that is it to people. We give thanks and praise. Yeah. A little rain over here and a little rain over there. Is it? Yeah, man, it's a pleasure. It's a blessing. Thumbs up the live phone, please. Thumbs up the live. This is the situation, my people. Look rain in the afternoon. Look rain in the afternoon. Look happy when I talk about here, man. Yeah. Give thanks, no? Yeah, my people, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. You don't know? A rainy evening. Yeah, man, a rainy evening. But you don't know, it's a blessing in disguise. You understand me? Yeah, man, so we just give thanks and praise to it same way. You see the people, yeah, man. I hope all is well with each and every one on the life and all who pass through. Yeah, man, I hope all is well and may God blessing just keep flowing. Just like how the rain keep falling. Yeah, we just want Father God blessing just keep flowing upon each and every one of us. You copy? Yeah. Yeah, man, that is right. So welcome to the live again, my friends. Welcome to the live again. How are you doing? How is the evening? How is the evening? How is everything, my friend? No, this is Juno. Yeah, man, this is Juno. Jamaica land love. Yeah. The elder. Yeah. May I look young, but at the elder. As in 60 and going. You copy? Yeah. So let us say love and thank the Most High, the Almighty God, for Him blessing, keep us going. Yeah, man, and to all of the young people that just come, yeah, just bless up and keep traveling, same here, run it down, you don't know, it's a goal for reach, 50 and pass. You copy me, I say, yeah, because to our life set up now, in them time, you find, say, boy, after a kid certain age, it's like sickness and strategy and all them things, all kind of things can reach you along the way. You see? So we have to just give thanks and praise for life. When you know some boy, yeah, we reach at a stage where you know some boy, yeah, I hate that. You see? Yeah, man. So let us just bless up the day and give thanks, see it. You copy? Yeah. So, remember one viewer. Hi, hello, how you doing? Hello to you, my people. Hello, hello. Good evening, good evening, good evening. How you doing? I'm in Kingston, Jamaica. Just a show a look thing a while ago. Look rain a fall in the city. Yeah. Don't know. But they have seen me. I try see if I can upload a local video. You see? Yeah. See if I can upload two local shots. You can pay me and some people. Yeah. That is it. Cause I don't know if they keep the work going. You see? Yeah. So don't know. My main channel, my people, I don't know, but I can't get back to my main. So I have actually even know star, my TikTok. I have a TikTok channel, I can't get back to it. I don't know, scam it or nothing at all. I just scam my phone, because my phone I give a problem. And I can't my phone just scam it and for God's sake, I not have that account for no other, for nothing else. You understand what I mean? And the account just missing and gone, just like that because we can't remember the right password. By the time I get all the password, I give me a different account. But I don't know. I mix up my head. Anyway, still have my faith and my trust in the Almighty God. I know, so boy, I don't know one day, I'm good for just a spin and a spin. Because I saw me operate and I just a spin and touch up and good for see it come up back. You copy? Yeah, because once it did the same way, it will come back. But just have a believe it. You copy me, I say my people, yeah man. So welcome one more time again. Remember, just share the love. We share the love amongst each other. Yeah. Where are you watching from? Who's on the live now? If you don't mind, let me know. Let us interact with each other. Who's on the live now? Is it Pauline? Good evening. Good evening to you, my people. Good evening. Good evening. Can I get a thumbs up on the live right away? I really appreciate your support. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Probably where you're watching from is good morning or good afternoon or good night. You don't know, depends on your time barrier. But you don't know we are in Kingston, Jamaica. So our time now is just let me see if we can see the time. I'm gonna see the time. Okay, something to 4 right now. Copy it? Yeah. Very late. At them time I no say the rain will fall from there. Yeah, from there. Time we have rain. At them time I realize that the rain will come evening time. I now fall for the whole day, you know. As I say, my people was there, I try to see if I can upload some short to me have before I delete them off of me. I think, I don't know. But if I try put out the video them as much. You see? So, there I try so I can do up on my channel. In the meantime, you see, until the rain start, I'm just start the live, you see? Yeah. My people, what I think I go on at the house of parliament, boy, what I stress the country I go under. But you know, who feels it or knows it, you understand me? Who don't feel it, them not gonna know nothing. Yeah, man, who feels it or knows it, who don't feel it not gonna know nothing. Them I say nothing not go on and them I say everything alright and who feels it I say boy nothing not go on. But who not feel nothing, them I say everything alright, the country run good so. You know, certain areas got some people are feel and some people not feel nothing at all. You see? We don't know. Now, the next say, them say the fittest shall survive. Yeah, man, the fittest shall survive. And God will put the trust. Yeah, that is a reality. In God will put the trust. No one can stop that. Remember that. Yeah, man. Patricia, big up yourself. I hope the rain stop. The rain supposed to stop in a cold South Carolina. I know from there, them place are wall up ice and them thing there. So I hope everything cool off now. Not get not too cold because it's a look of water are good to bring a whole heap of coolness in South Carolina. Jaja now. It's a blessing, you know? Yeah, man. Keep the blessing flowing. Patricia Sanders. Hmm? Yes, that's a blessing. What a baka go on. Iran, Chacha no. The whole world I don't feel it, but poor look third world country like Jamaica and Korea. I wonder if the government, yeah, the government I said them have a whole of money put on. Almost something like 8 point something billion, something like that. Let's see, 800,000 pounds something billion. I remember how much the figures go. But they must say them have money put on, you know. Whenever I listen fully, you know. Whenever I listen fully to the minister's speech, you get to hear everything. You understand me? But you don't know. You get a catch up back on social media. You don't know where you go. But the oil crisis I lick the world, and you know, so from oil and gas rise, stock a job. Oh, I just wish you all the best them still. Because I don't know. I'm a family them good for the army or USA. Yeah, 'cause I don't know. A whole heap of Caribbean youth of them build the army. See? Yeah. Most people in the army where them are used to go to the fight battle and fight war are some Caribbean youth, some youth in the army. We left the Caribbean and some people run left Africa and them go really, yeah. And try to reach out years to make them life better off and them join the army because them want a stable in the country and thing. And them mostly go to war, the battle upon the battlefield. Understand me? Yeah. So we just wish them all the best. Yeah man, we just wish them all the best. God I know. Because yes, they might have a full invasion now upon land invasion and going now. So we don't know how it will work out because them say them get weak out here now, so them feel so them can go in and now. So we don't know. We have to just watch. We not saying night when we can talk, where we attack can't do nothing pertaining to wars. Where them a think about, where them a do. And that's time I some people, yeah man. So we have to just watch and see what go on and wish and pray for the best. Yeah. Because as we say, most of the youth them in the US Army, the British Army, the Canadian Army, the Caribbean youth, them enough Jamaican Backative, relative stronger Jamaican running on the Caribbean. And that's time yeah, so we just wish them all the best. You copy? Yeah, man. And the best fighter them have, you know. Yeah, man, the black fighter them. If you know it, you realize it. American army gets strong due to all them have the black fighter them. Where come from Jamaica and run the Caribbean, down in Africa. We are joining the army. You see? Yeah, man. So them army get strong. Them only use like them general them are more national. But if you check out them army, America have all kind of nation in them army, you know. Yeah man, American army be all kind of nation in them army, man. All kind of nation in them army. China in American army, you know. Yeah man, China in American army. Trust me. I don't know what them do it, but you know, if your country say them dep and look out for any farmer attack from any country. You see? You know, all them enemy country, them having them country working on them army, working on a certain big system on them career. I know them do it, boy, but right now, a lot of people in America right now are fret because them don't know if an insider attack can go on from any of them Iranian people yeah, who live in America. Understand me? Yeah. You see, almost 1,000 come out and I show solidarity. One to the one them gonna come out and the undercover and I wait for the time. You see, one one demonstration them light two sitting there and show it, but it out. You see? We will tell if that the light and expose where how much people that get damaged, how much people that get affected by it. You see? So people right now in their country right now in America right now are stressed over war go on. They must stress over them picnic, we are going to war, and they must stress over the eternal inside affection that can happen. Because people are not fool, people know say these Iranian people are some people were trustworthy to them country. And them say I mean trustworthy, them directly trustworthy to them country. And if I tie them, if I tie on some strap on them, and go in a place and designate it and give them life for 100 or 200 people, then we do it. Yeah, then we do it. Those are the big suicider where the world afraid of. Yeah, America afraid of the suicider because America have all different type of people in them country. That's why none of the president never want touch Iran because them don't know all the suicide them in them country how to operate. You see, a whole of suicide in America, a whole of suicide in America. We can just walk in a building and just explode. Yeah? And you say 200 odd people drop out, 300 odd people fall away. You see, a whole of suicide in America. And those are the things why the president them never want to touch Iran. I'm afraid of Iran. I'm afraid of Iran now. You see? I just never want to touch it because them more cares about them country and the suicide of them. See? So right now, all right. The people them come out come demonstrate today and I thank President Trump, the Iranian them and the Israel people them and look over there. People were join up in a New York and a praise and a jump and a shout. Those are just a few people who are come and celebrate and say, yeah, yeah, thank you. One to the people them when I come out come celebrate and I say, boy, hey, them get to it that way with Ayatollah and them mash up the country. All right, watch where I go on. Yeah, simple. See? And the next thing again, you see, when a country have this access where you can say you're the world best, you're the world power, you're the world power, and you can send a bomb in a person, private property, private place. I'm so sorry, my people. Private. I'm going to take out wife, picnic, father, whatsoever you want to call it. You take them out in a them private place. If you say any no matter how strong your army is, not president, not safe, because you see once you do that, all do open up your know for anything like that can happen. Anything like that can happen. You check say Russia not have the intelligent like America where can say boy, where them can scope anything and anyway there. Them couldn't lick out Zelensky long time. Them could have lick out Zelensky. But you them know say it'll be a big scene on them head if them got lick out Zelensky. Them I say that is not a, you touch a lead and blah blah, just like what them I say. It's supreme, you have that in a country of integrity, a country of them depend them own nationality and them own whatsoever them can call it, and you're gonna lick them out. People lick out and talk about it. You see? So right now, Russia see that we are going. When Iran come back on them foot, couple more years, them other want to make missile now we can reach straight into the White House because remember the sentence come lick out with Ayatollah in a palace. So the thing is this, don't feel say the war only can go on in the Middle East, than in Asia, and run in Europe. No. And Asia and Europe alone, this war can take place. This war I go in America, Central America too. Yeah, because them suicidal. Remember, say, them usually do it again, and usually blow up in a cafe and, chain line and them thing there. Yeah, when I travel upon chain and chain blow, yeah. One go in a bus and bus blow, yeah, them really me attack, yeah. See? 100 of people are travel together in a them thing there. So, those are all them work. See what I did? That's why them afraid of them. Because them one life give up for 200 and. Who could have like people like them there? Just one life you give away, just one life. If you take 200 and. No, we must afraid of them people. They must have afraid of them people. I tell you that. Not joke about it. I'm afraid of them people there. Thumbs up the life for me, please and thank. Thumbs up the life, thumbs up the life, thumbs up the life. Yeah, man. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe. Send in your comments, let me know what you have in thought, what you think about what I'm saying. Yeah. Let us have a reasoning pertaining towards this argument. You see? Yeah. If you are interested, let us have a reasoning. All right? Yeah, man. And let us join and build a community together. We can build a community together, my people. Let us join and build a community together. Let us join and build a community together. Yeah, my people, that is it. This is the guy Jonah. You don't know Jamaica land love. Straight from out of Jamaica, Kingston City. You copy? That is it. Just keep on watching my video, my people, from the beginning to the end. To give the channel, that push, that elevate, that the channel is waiting for to get. You see? Yeah, I do my best to try, but if channel want that elevation there, monetize. You see, once the channel get that monetized, we can start elevate even more my people, because every month you know, so boy, yeah, we can collect a thing and can push it out, pertaining towards where we are do to make it more bigger. You understand me? So by the help of you, my people, watching my video, giving me the watch hours. If you get 4,000 watch hours, I am begging it. I am begging for it. If you can assist me, and please, I appreciate it. You copy? Really, I appreciate it. Yeah. If you can watch my video and give me the watch hours, I really appreciate it. And I say thank you. Thank you so much. If you even subscribe, I say thank you. You copy? If you even say a comment, I say thank you. Like the video, I say thank you. You see? I'm a man of principle. You see? I'm a man of age. I know what is it. You see? People work hard for them have whether them even them time is very precious. To come sit down upon your life and watch upon your life. The time is very precious. If you want to say, boy, them are send a $10 come give you a $20. That is very, very precious. You know, people working at coal. You know, people working at coal in England and Canada and America. If you raise $100, them can send a $10 come get somebody anywhere in the world. You have to appreciate it, man. Trust me. Yeah, man. You have to show love, show gratitude. You can pay, yeah, man. And always show appreciation to the people that will support you. That is how it's set. You can pay. If you don't show that, you can't reach away. You can pay, yeah, man. So subscribe, my people. Thumbs up the video. Send in the comments. Let me know what you think about what I'm saying. If it is all right, let me know. You see? Yeah, man. This is Jonah. Who am I speaking to on the live? You don't mind if we interact together? Let us. No problem. Let us interact. That is it. You copy? Hi. Hello. Big up. Wagwan. That is it. So, I don't know who on the live, if the lady or a man. So, I give them a two signal. You copy? Channel. Rude boy, gangster. I, family. No? Yeah. So, big up on yourself. You see? That is it. Sorry. Yeah, man. So, as me I say, a whole heap of people from Jamaica, them family, join the army, the US Army. A whole heap of people from Jamaica, where they make them kids them join the army. Yeah, to get a better stay and get a better life in America. Thousands of them in the army. Thousands of Jamaicans were born in American in the army. I tell you about from the 90s, 60s, I come up. Yeah, man, from them time, I just a few, remember, I just have majority, all right. Majority back in them time, the majority Jamaican when them go a foreign. Back in them time when Jamaican go a foreign back in them time there. The main thing when them go a foreign for, you know, is to get them can get a chance to join the American army, you know. You see? Yeah. But you see, when they come up in the 60s, I come up in the 70s, you find say yeah, few of them now start drift from the army and start say them hit the street. So come you find say a lot of them start sell drugs and get rich quick and then but a lot of Jamaican national parents, national see in the army in the US. So when I say American them deploy soldier anywhere at all in the world. And a real American them deploy. Some Caribbean and some African and some just check the people them. Where you say most of them are not American, most of them is not American. You see me? Most of them are come from some different country and they come America come like make life. You see? Yeah. Different country them come from come America come look life. Because people from all over the world go America for make life, you know. Whether you want favor American or you favor African, people from all over the world go to America and make life. You see? Because America is a land of opportunity. You see? You can go there and you can become rich. You can make your family and your yard feel proud of you. You see? You can go back to your yard and you can build up your house. You can build up your place. You can start business. That is in America. When people go to America, them go for make them life better off. So a whole heap of the youth them, they're in the army right now. Thousands of Caribbean youth. Jamaica, right on the Caribbean, and even Africa in the army. They don't know, say, you have African right now they're in Russia, a fight war. African. Right now they're in Russia, a fight war. Yeah? From Ghana and from Kenya. You have, yeah, them go Africa, them go to Russia to look work. And the work where them get us to go up on the battlefield. Yeah, you have African right now in America. No, in America, in Russia. I fight the war right now. And it's like you have soldiers from Ghana, I believe, or Kenya, one of them country. I don't remember directly which one I country. But them say it alleged that them say it is alleged that them say them soldier there, the country, the president or support of them country there, send them soldier there, go at them country there. Must have peace, I don't know. Must have to do work. Oh, I don't know. But when them reach, up on battlefield them reach. So, you know, right now, as we look upon life right now, my people, life is one big road with a lot of sign. I remember just you have to make up your mind to face the reality you see in front of you. A whole heap of different reality, you have to make up your mind which one you want to go. If you want to go narrow road, slim road, big road, bad road, good road, any one of the road them you want to go upon. All type of road there. And people use on a one avenue, people use and become successful in their life. See? A lot of people become successful in their life. Big up on yourself, big up, big up, big up, big up. But what I'm saying, a lot of people become successful in their life. And we don't know the avenue where them travel to become successful. You see? A lot of people. Understand me? So that is the next thing again where you can't to grudge people. You can't grudge people for them off. Whenever you bad mind. Although grudge and bad mind could just come like the same thing. Because you grudge a person and bad mind, my same thing. You see what I mean? Yeah. But never you bad mind nobody. So you see him drive a nice car. You don't know what him do. You don't know who him do. You don't know how hard him brains work. You don't know how hard jawbone work. You don't know how hard back off work. You don't know nothing at all. You don't know nothing. You see me? You just know the people that live life. So you have to just strive for just choose your best way how you want to live your life. Yeah. Choose the best way. If you want to go in the bad way, or you want to go in the better way, or you want to go the best way. Anyway you want to choose, you choose the better one for you. You see? In other words, I'm saying, you eat the food where your stomach can't manage. If your stomach can't manage certain food, you don't eat it. Because you vomit. Yeah, that's how the world is set. Right now, I go on the road right now, I see a girl that drive a big car and live in a big house and things are going for her. I can't go drive her kind of and say, yeah. I don't know what she do. I don't know what she do. I don't know what she do. You understand what I say? Life is so duplicate, implicated, surprisingly. You have to choose which way all you want. If it becomes attractive to you. See? Yeah, that's how it go. Remember, some people get the life very easy, and manipulate, while some people struggle to get it, See? And just to show you, say, you struggle. You struggle for reach your life. You find say there's a lot of things that you do, I find say it's like all the way you do for reach a mile, You can't reach a mile like it's a burden. You can't reach a mile. I see some people just come and them just I do the same thing what you do and quick time and reach a mile. See? You start wonder what you are do wrong. And what you are do wrong. And what you not do for reach a mile. What them a do for reach a mile. You understand me? Yeah. So some people bless. No joke about that. Some people bless. While you have some people them just take it to a different level to survive. Whether them go wrong or them go good or them go bad, them just take it to a different level to survive. So unless you out there in the street, no, yeah, look on social media right now. Right now, you come on social media with some confidential subject, good reasoning argument. Nobody not to go fit. Nobody not go fit. Nobody not to go for that. Because I say, sure, I don't want to hear that where you're coming. But go up on the social media with some mix up and some blender and some shit outs and some bag and some yeah. You see me? Yeah. It's so fast it blew up. Yeah. It's so fast it blew up. You see? Yeah man. I know I want to, I want to too. I watch one video. One of my videos I put up. Put up a video with Pame with Foxy Brown. With Foxy Brown. Yeah man, me blog Foxy Brown and put out. And I tell my people, since they am still on me I run through me. No, I don't know. About a year old now since I do that. Foxy Brown. And it's like I sit down and I run through my content them on my channel. I run through the content them on the channel and come across on Foxy Brown. I look upon it at 20,000, nearly 25,000 views I get on Foxy Brown and all my people. Are the biggest thing that I ever get. When we look upon it, I get nearly 90 odd people subscribe to my channel. We watch Foxy Brown, you know. Yeah, when I look on the analytic. Sorry about that, because I have list of my people, so I kind of, you know. When I look on it, my people, I say, whoa, share video, likes video, comments, subscribe, and views. I say, whoa. I'm just put up on Foxy Brown is a lady where we usually go out there, they look for her and give her a look of money and thing, but Foxy Brown is like, she like get too out of hand. I say out of hand, I can't find her more time like she gone smoke or something and I couldn't bother walk up and down, I'm just slow her, man. And low her, I see her already and she come to me and say, so you stay far from me, beg me, I think I'm get 2 bills. You see me? And I never say nothing at all. I just say, come here today and I look for my thing and I see it. I say, whoa, Foxy Brown becomes one of my biggest content right now. Because none of my content never put up. 1,000 odd content and put up, I get the biggest views so far right now. So I give thanks to the people, them give thanks to that blog what me do with and right now my people, my hands, I don't know, but I need like my spirit at tell me must pay more focus to her. See if I can take her and carry her go to the doctor, get her float, no? Take care and but she get herself clean up and get some clothes, but she start wear some clothes because she still have her voice and she still can, you know, she just want somebody if you sit to it, that's why she lego the drugs. She keep on attempt she not take no drugs. But we know she shall take drugs. Understand me? Yeah. Because we never see her at smoke it or take it, but to all flexible and move like she take drugs. Understand me? Yeah. And she wants somebody really right now for take her in her hand and can look after her. So if none of the people them where all of these comments about Foxy Brown can really show up and interested for look after Foxy Brown, I'm willing to assist and jump out and help the people them who not in Jamaica or who the people them who not have no time to do it. We can jump on and help get somebody, me get people towards it because through me, you know, me just follow up and just continue with it and just go through with it with people. Trust me. But Foxy Brown really need help, for real. She really need help, yeah, man. Bad Jamaica Foxy Brown, man. Bad singer. Bad singer. Trust me. Back in the days when Foxy Brown sing, we just love her music. Fast car and they give me a high don't know you. Foxy beyond that, you know? Yeah, man. So remember to thumbs up the live for me, please. Press the thumbs up, my people. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, you can subscribe to the channel, please and thanks. Okay? Yeah, man. As I say, all our people that watch that Foxy beyond and subscribe to the channel. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. All that we do pana blog there, pana content there. Big up on yourself. Respect. You copy? Yeah, man. So, oh man, if anybody can just let me know what I'm going. Patricia is still on the live? Yeah, man, welcome to the live. Welcome. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? I am in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Where are you watching from? Come, let us join together. Let us give some a couple more minutes interacting with each other. You copy? Yeah, man. How you doing? How is everything? Okay. Hello. How you doing? Good evening. Good evening. Good morning. Good night. Good afternoon. How you doing? Where are you watching the video from? My friend Jamaica uncle. Me want to go up on him live, you know. Only if him live I go on still. You can do 13 more minutes on this and go up on him live. I will love support others, you know. Because remember me have people on the internet have to support me. You see? So I have to support people on the internet. You see? Some people on the internet don't really support back internet people, you know. But I hope them getting themselves and know why they have support, but them not support each other. Yeah, man. Because I think I ever talk about, you know. I say, right now in Jamaica, the thing I want to see going in Jamaica right now, I'm not telling a lie. If all of the YouTubers them in Jamaica could have come together in a one and start, look for now Africa, although them start them look kasha, look kasa, look thing there, I go on. But if we could have get in Jamaica, all YouTubers come together. If a 500, or if 1,000 or 2,000 come together, I will meet up every week. I'm saying every YouTuber will meet up every week or every 2 weeks. Meet up in a one specific location. You see? I will just give support towards each other. It's just a supporting center. We just give support. Let me say, people are subscribed to one another. People, and it's like it's a center where have Wi-Fi, open Wi-Fi. When people come there, everybody can just connect up. Everybody can just there. People can just watch people video. People can just, yeah, we just support. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. That's something I want. Big pot of food I cook. And, big get together and people say enjoy themselves and support and subscribe to one another channel, watch one another video. Yeah, reason, talk, get to know each other. Yeah. You see? Yeah, man. And look forward for a thing a day like that. You copy? Mr. Colas me to try that do something like it, but no. I don't see him really I do no more. But big up yourself, Colas Smith. You copy? See you there in a Bangkok. Bangkok. I can't pronounce it because I have my list tongue and I want to bite my tongue. Big up yourself, my youth. You copy? Yeah, man. Jaja know. But you don't know. What I wish to say is more of the youth them from your team start travel with you. As soon as them get them visa up and thing. You have to push it for them, you know. Yeah, man, you have to push it for them, man. Although that thing where you can't to say, yeah, go to antagonize the people, them. You have to wait till them call you still. You know what I mean? Yeah. But just wish them get them things them up and running that them say the team cannot travel in a one. You see? Yeah, man. And I'm not tell a lie. I miss she came out of the team. Original girl in the team. Yeah. I miss she. I'm not tell a lie. I miss her. Yeah. Every time I see the pink horse, I see her. Trust me. Every time I see the pink horse, I see her. Yeah. Come on. Big up to the rest of you them on the team. God that's it. Big up yourself. Enough respect to you. You copy? Yeah man, that is it. Is it? I'm gonna see the next team I can see what I want to say strive to and push out that everybody will make it in our team. And the um Keen Alive Jamaica, yeah. Yeah man. And like we see the whole of the youth them, the girl them and the whole of them farm and build a team there. So strive, is it? Yeah man, I like to see it. Trust me. Yeah man, for real. Get them visa and them start fly to, is it? Yeah. I believe my boy have him thing when him the chef. Chef was supposed to have him thing. The girl they have her thing. Yeah. Couple about 3 of them to 4 of them supposed to have them thing. Yeah, but you don't know. Just want more of them have them papers and them can start push more regular with the captain of the boat. You copy? Yeah man. Trust me upon that. And even over upon Gisberg side, I like to see that flourish there and a push there. Yeah, for real. Man them say and start push out more often and is in, yeah man. Go foreign and with the team, whole team complete I go foreign and do them blogging and them come back. That's that good look that, you see? Yeah. Good look that. You see? Yeah man. So as me I say, I just want to say YouTuber them in Jamaica just come together and start support them one another. Yeah man, big time. Support them one another big time because it's a gate to open up that enough people can have something in their life now. Yeah. You see it because I push out, have the example, say my boy the fishing my boy, enough to come and push out. Say, example so. It can open enough entrance if enough people can make it see light towards life. You see? Others you have to be conscious of yourself and be righteous. You see? And think about what you do. Spend your money wisely. You copy? Yeah. Yeah man. Right now, because Smith a bill is like man a bill like in a construction company. When him done build up him a bill, him have a construction company. Because it's like man a buy tool and him a buy material, him a buy tool. Probably soon see him buy a tractor. Or him man have all kind of little tool him a buy up, look. So, you know, if you tell him, see him have an excavator already there. So if you tell him, see him start buy up some look more bigger things pertaining towards a construction company. You copy me I say, and get the workman them, him have the tool them, get the workman them with the trade and the skill, come work, and then get the job and is it? That is it. Yeah man, can be done. You see? Who know if I'm that him a think? How that him a think? Who tell you? You see? And a smart way that you think, I think for elevate himself, I think about tomorrow. I just think about today, I think about tomorrow. What if when we get old? What am I going to do? So I have a company that can run off and pick them, can come run it and things are run. Same way. It's happy when I say, yeah man, so. I mean construction thing I run because I see it. I have a lot of constructing youth, I man. You look at youth, them have run him, and even tell them to learn the trade. Learn the trade. See? Yeah. I tell them because basically he know him intention. You see? Learn the trade because I say couple more years from now, I go master the construction company where we open up. So when people there, man, give thanks to each and everybody who are joining. Is it? Yeah, man. Welcome to you all. Welcome. Look up on yourself. Is it? I'm in Kingston, Jamaica. Where are you watching the video from? If you don't mind sharing, where you watching the video from? I don't know. It's a blessing seeing you. Yeah? If you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe, you can thumbs up, thumbs nail. Yeah, press on the like button, like up the video. No problem with that. We give thanks to it. You see it? Yeah, man. That are cool. You see it, my people? Yeah, man. So, as we say, right now, one peace in the world, and say ground trooper going from Iran now. So we don't know where the outcome. We have to listen for the news and so where the news are tell us what go on. Israel, what if Israel feel it more than America right now because Israel led near missile range. So Israel get a lot of missile over there. On the side for the people them, just like on the side for the people them in Iran. You see what I mean? What can we do? A war them a war. You see, it should never start. But it a go on. You copy? Yeah man, and people are lose them. I get unalive. So what we have to do? More than we just wish for the best, not the worst. You copy? Yeah. There's nothing we can do. You see? Yeah man. So we just pray for liberty for people and saving a life for people. You copy? Yeah. Yeah man, people man. This is Jamaica Land Love, your YouTube channel. That is how I create content, my people. I go up on the road and I create my content, man. No? I do my little thing and so forth. But as I say, just looking for the uprisement and the upliftment and the channel. Yeah. For the channel reach at a position and where it can start get monetized, that is what I'm waiting for, my people. So I just want some watch hours. So I really appreciate it if you can give me the watch hours. I really appreciate it by watching the video from the beginning to the end. I don't know what video I have, my people, so if you can assist me by watching the video them, I really appreciate it. The copy, yeah man. It will climb, the watch hours will climb. So please, you all just help me out. Give me the watch hours. Subscribe if you want, if you have a subscribers yet, continue. Send in the comments, like up the video. Yeah, copy, help the channel, my people. You see, yeah man. And we can have a community, because we have a WhatsApp number 233-6408. Yeah, 233-6408. You know, so boy, if you want to link up, you can link up, or we can chat on the WhatsApp. You copy? Yeah man. And if you want to talk private, you can talk private on the WhatsApp and you look link up whatsoever we can have that. You see it? Yeah man, not like that. You see my people? Yeah man. So remember, WhatsApp number 233-6408. 1876 1876 233-6408. You copy that? Yeah. Yeah man, my people, so. Big up on yourself every time. Enough respect to you, my people. It's a God blessing. Every time I got blessing, I copy. Yeah, man. Send in the comments, my people. Come interact, man. Send in the comments, let me know. Let me know. So when you interact with me, my people, and we interact with each other, the thing not boring, you know. I don't want the thing get boring. I understand because more time, if you don't interact with me, I now go pick up on most of the things if you talk and lay out. You copy? Yeah, man. So if you interact, and so we are interact, and so we are pick up on more topics to talk about because we just talk on every topic so we can talk on, you know. And next day we come and talk on a different set of topics. You copy? Because topics is there to talk about. You see? Yeah, man. So I'm in Kingston, Jamaica. Where are you watching the video from? If you don't mind, if you can share with my people. Yeah. Greeting everyone. Yeah. That is in the kitchen. Yeah, Mountain Kitchen, welcome to you. Yeah, man. Blue Mountain, Jamaica. Yes, madam. Or the rain are going up there. And the rain are going up there. Mountain Kitchen. Welcome to the live mountain. Up in the mountain there. You see? Yeah, man. Mountain Kitchen, thank you for your support. Welcome every time, you copy? That is it. It a go on bad right now, me have flu. Jaja no start, don't even bother go back out in the rain, bro. Don't let the rainwater catch you, you know. Yeah, man. Avoid the rainwater down. Is it? Jaja no start. I don't know if I bad flu will go around. A long time I don't come up in the Blue Mountain, you know. I usually go in the Blue Mountain regular, you know. Up in the Soldier, up in Newcastle, you know. Yeah, man, up in Newcastle. When I boy, I usually go a soldier camping as a scout. Cause I go up as a scout, because my intention was to become a soldier one time going when I grew up, you know. Yeah, man, I go in a cadet, go in a scouting. But I don't know how I change my mind. My mind just change and I just jump out there, bro. But me love soldier, I not tell a life. I grew up. Me love soldier. You see? Yeah. And probably if me reach America, when me younger, probably me not in the army too. Because me love soldier. I not tell a lie. Me love soldier. So I'm soldier, just keep yourself out of the rain right now. Because them things they sick on your eye, you know. Yeah, man. Probably a little rain a Jew and we go out tonight. And we never have nothing for my head. And I'm ready, yeah, sick, bro. I don't know. You have bush now, you have whole bush up in the bush there. Where you can use, my bro. Yeah, man, whole bush up in the mount, up in the hill there. Whole heap of bush up in the Blue Mountain there, bro. What? Where you can find bush and rub up bush together and make yourself know, so boy, yeah, eat that. You see? Yeah, man, so let's get some more memory, man. You see? Yeah. So everything otherwise all right, though. I remember if you thumbs up the video, press on the thumbs up button. Yeah. I'm say I like up the video. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, me done, you can subscribe to the channel and be a member of the channel. You copy? Yeah. That is it, me done. You copy? Yeah, man. That's how we do everything, you copy? Yeah. We try to join together and be as one, as Jamaican. Any other nation, we don't know we are family, you copy? Yeah, man. Not know what you color of skin. Not because me black or me a white or brown. No. We are all human. You copy? We're not a robot. You see what I talk about? Yeah, man. So send in the comments, my people. Send in the comments. Come, let's keep the live interacting. Yeah. The war are going on Iraq. Look on the big cartel in Mexico. Look, or in funeral, expensive is funeral in Mexico. None of the none of the leaders them in Mexico, them shock, them couldn't believe what them say. That the funeral, none of them couldn't believe in everything in mind to say them have a funeral so expensive. Although a state funeral them not get. But this a funeral are more than state funeral, a world funeral him get. Elementary get a world funeral, trust me. Yeah, man. Millions of dollars spent on the man funeral, a big funeral, that man. Big funeral. When you think we are going about in the Jamaican people, send in the comments, you can know. Send in the comments, send in the comments. What do you think about what's going on in Jamaica now? Budget are reader now, tax are go up and things, enough things are going to raise up. In the crisis, when gas price are go up, you know, so things that are raised more and more now. When you think we read are going on in Jamaica now, my people? Send in the comments and make we know. Remember to like up the live for me, please. Yeah, man, like up your life, touch up the thumbs up button. Yeah, man, just press the thumbs up button, my people. Yeah, and like up your life. If you haven't subscribed as yet, you can just go and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Yeah. And as I say, from early on, welcome one and all. Welcome each and every one of you. You see, it's a pleasure to know, sir, having on my life. That is it, that I code, just like that, no joke. I'm in Jamaica, Kingston as a specific. In a Kingston City. You copy? Where are you watching from? Mountain man, you're there about still? Mountain Kitchen. Pick up yourself, see me, you copy? Yeah, man. Sandy son, if you're on the live, see me, big up yourself, see me, copy. That is it. Everybody else, big up on yourself, enough respect. Thank you for joining the live. Send in your comments and let me know what's a go on, what a go on, what a go on. How you feel if you are in America? Let me know how you feel now about this war and you are in America and so many Iranian people are in America. Tell me, what is your mixed feelings about this? Hey, my people, welcome, welcome one and all. Welcome, welcome. Keep the comments coming in, my people. Keep the comments coming in. Keep your comments coming in, my people. Wow, that one go sleep. Yeah, keep the comments. Keep coming, sending the comments. Keep sending the comments, my people. Welcome each and every one on the live. Reach everybody on the live. Welcome, welcome. Remember to thumbs up the live. Yeah, man. Remember thumbs up the live. Press the thumbnail. Let me say I like up your live. Give the video a like for me, please. If you haven't subscribed, I can give you a subscribe. Big up yourself, mountain man. Up in the mountain there. Mountain kitchen. Just imagine that kitchen, the finger licking. Trust me. Mountain kitchen, finger licking. All them places I have to reach in the mountain kitchen. Yeah, man, up there, Blue Mountain, there, man. Yeah, man. Just want my video for people watch up my video. That me can get the channel monetized. Yeah, man, if you reach out in a Blue Mountain, man, come spend a couple of days, walk through the bush, there, man, and look on bushes and cook food and eat. You copy? Yeah, man. Trust me. I'm done. Come up to the hill, man. Come feel it. Want to go places of relax. You know? On the beach, the riverside. We cook food and eat and thing. Them way them want to do it with people. You copy? Send in the comments. Let me know how you're doing, how you're feeling, what is your thinking about what is going on. Globally. As I said, good evening to each and every one. Yeah. I am in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Where are you watching the video from? Where are you watching from? You don't mind telling me? Hello. Is it me you're looking on? Just please tell me, let me sing. Let me sing my song of passion. Please tell me, is it me you're looking on? I am sitting here in my chair, just thinking and be real. Is it me you're looking on? Cha-cha. Music situation, the vibration, continuation. Copy. Big up yourself. Enough respect to each and every one. You see it? Yeah, man. Thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video, my people. Thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Me say thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Me say thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Me say thumbs up the. Hey. Thumbs up the video. Me say thumbs up the. Hey. Thumbs up the video. Me say thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Me say thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Me say thumbs up the. Hey. Thumbs up the video. Me say thumbs up the. Hey. 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 Just thumbs up the video, me say thumbs up the hey. Thumbs up the video, me say thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video, me say thumbs up the video. Like up the video, make me feel alright. Subscribe to the channel, make me feeling bright. Thumbs up the video, make me know what I want. So them no know this a one year come on. Thumbs up the video, me say thumbs up the hey. Thumbs up the video, me say thumbs up the hey. Thumbs up the video, thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video, thumbs up the hey. Thumbs up the video, miss. Hey, Jesus Christ have mercy. What a sweet little melody. You say, thumbs up the video, me say, thumbs up the, hey. Thumbs up the video, me say, thumbs up the, hey. Thumbs up the video, thumbs up the, hey. Thumbs up the video, me say, yo, like up the video, like it up, people, like it up, 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 like it up. Press up the thumbs button, my people. Press up the thumbs up the video, my people. We don't see thumbs and move at all. We don't see thumbs and move. Whoa, whoa. That's all I'm here with the on the live. Over nearly over 10. Whoa. Live are going long, man. I want to get 3 likes. Give me some more likes for the video, my people. Please and thanks. Put up a 5 likes. Put up a 5 likes. Please and thanks. Maybe 2 more likes for the video, please. I want to go join over my friend live too, you know, Jamaica Uncle. I want to join Jamaica Uncle live. Like up the video for me, please. My people, 1 hour and 10 minutes, 11 minutes. I'm going to call it a day. Because I want to go join Jamaica Uncle live. Yeah. I don't know if we have to share time amongst each other. So we thank you all for your support. I really appreciate it. Yeah. I don't take your time that you spend amongst me for granted. I don't take it for granted. No joke at all about that. You see? So just continue to pay attention to this channel. Yeah, just continue to pay attention to this channel and think about the development of this channel. Okay? You don't know, development gonna come by you, my people, by supporting it, by watching the video, subscribing, liking, comments, sharing. Yeah, that is your all support. Okay? Yeah. So thank you very much again, my people. May God bless you, and I look forward again to have you on my live again. And next day, which should be tomorrow or Saturday. So big up on yourself. God bless you. Love you. I am out. Out the people. Bye. 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 Bye.